The most common question in Salesforce ecosystem is how to become a Salesforce certified administrator. If you are aspiring to become a Salesforce certified administrator, you are in a right place. Hi, my name is Rahul. I am a Salesforce certified administrator. Today I am going to tell you step-by-step roadmap to become a Salesforce certified administrator. In first part we discussing about the core fundamental concept of Salesforce administrator. In second part we discuss about the exam pattern. In last part we are discussing about the how to register the exam for certification. Before we discussing about the Salesforce certification journey, let's start with the Trailhead. Trailhead is a Salesforce provided e-learning platform which is free. If you are new into Salesforce ecosystem, sign up now in trailhead.salesforce.com. Otherwise, directly log in into Trailhead. A home page is coming. In the home page, upside, so many bars are there. Hover on credential bar, you can get a certification section. Click on it. After that, you can see many roles in administration. Click on Salesforce administration role, and after that you get 3 methods of learning. In first part we're discussing about the learning method. In this learning method we master the core fundamental concept by completing the trail mix, batches and super batches by real world scenarios. In second part the trails gives you the additional resources by interactive flashcards and real based scenarios. In this third learning method, interactive practice test will give you the real world questions scenario which will be coming in the Salesforce examination in future. Apart from this, if you are looking for more hands-on experience and mentorship, I highly recommend it. Skill Horizon by Sanjay Gupta sir. I personally joined this offline learning program and it's given me a game changing in my life. Salesforce certification examination are divided into 7 key topics and each topic having a certain percentage of weightage. First key topic, configuration and setup having a 20% of weightage. Object manager and lightning app builder having same 20% of weightage. Sales and marketing having a 12% of weightage. Service and support having a 11% of weightage. Productivity and collaboration having a 7% of weightage. Data analytics and management having a 14% of weightage, and at the end automation having a 16% of weightage. And total number of questions 65. Minimum percentage of marks is 65%. Total duration of the examination is 105 minutes. Third, exam registration process. The new Salesforce certification experience coming on 21st July 2025. Wish you all the best.